Chicken tortilla
Chicken
meatball?
tortilla meat, yes. And it's so easy. So, the reason I chose these is one, everybody has tortilla chips. Everybody's doing nachos for Super Bowl. So I'm taking the idea of nachos and wings. So I've got tortilla chips and, all those little crunchies at the bottom of the bag. I've got an egg, some parsley, some milk. Everything goes into the tortilla chips. It's like a meatloaf, what you would have maybe you would have for your meatloaf, but the oatmeal. Spices, cumin, cayenne, thyme, salt, and black pepper. That all goes in there. And then you just mix this up, Rachel. You just mix this up, and then you put it into the ground chicken.
Amazing.
Put it into the ground chicken, right? It is super, super easy. And you mix that up. Put it into the fridge for about 30 minutes until it gets cold enough to make balls, because this is super, super soft. But the raw onions are what makes it really moist. And then I set my oven at 350 degrees. So I have the balls here. Look at that. I pan fry them, then I put them on the sheet pan. Right. And then, girl, okay, here's the thing. I made a sauce with ketchup, green chili sauce, and Worcestershire sauce.
I love green chili sauce. It is so underused. I love it. So
some more cumin.
Yum.
And this makes it taste. I feel like this would be good in tortilla soup, these meatballs.
It's so funny. You know what I did this week? I did a kind of a nacho type soup with chicken in it and crushed up leftover tortilla taco shells, hard shell tacos.
Yeah.
We always think so similar. It's so funny.
We are always like simpatico. So look, so those go in there. This is what they look like when they come out.
And then you glazed it. Yes.
Yes, girl. Yes. All right. The balls are so soft. If you want to bake them on the sheet pan for a little bit so that they just sort of firm up, you can absolutely do that. And because I can't leave well enough alone, because I'm like, oh my gosh, what else can I do with these? I grab some corn tortillas. So if you want to make a little taco thing, so I warmed these up.
Oh, what? Meatball taco?
I know.
What?
I know.
You always take it next level.
So then I have this slaw. It's a crispy cabbage slaw that you might find on pupusa or a taco. I'm taking some like the queso fresca, some scallions. You can do cilantro if you want to.
Nice.
I mean, you can really take this to the next level, and
it's so perfect.
Super easy, right?